Hi guys, welcome back to template tutorials. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, when you have a blank document like this, we first of all have to change the layout to blank. So we just have to click and change it to blank, and from there we'll go to the design tab again and go to the slide size. So customize it. So here we are changing it to A4. Alright, so again we are making it portrait and click on the OK. Alright, so here we are done with it. We are done making it portrait. So the first step that we have to do is to go and click on the insert tab and insert a rectangle. So we go to the shapes, insert tab to shapes. So this is the rectangle. So I'll like to draw my rectangle like this. Alright, so let me remove the outline of the rectangle. So I'll make it no outline. And the shape fill, I'll choose this color. Alright, so I can increase the height of it and position it to the right side of our screen. Alright, so this way is not okay for me. Alright, so again the next thing that we have to do is to go again to the insert tab. From the insert tab, we'll click on the shapes again and insert the rounded rectangle. Alright, so let's draw our rounded rectangle like this. So I can close this one in. Alright, so that one also, let's move the outline, make it no outline. And the shape fill also, we can also make it the same color, that's a dark red. Alright, so you can rotate it this way. Alright, so I can make it something like this. Alright, so for now I'll leave it this way, but if as time goes on you need some kind of adjustment, we'll make everything clear by doing so. Alright, so again the next thing that we have to do again is to go and click on the insert tab and click on the shapes. So we'll now click on the circle here to insert a circle. So I can draw my circle like this. So let's right click on the circle to give it some properties. So I'll go with format shape. So the properties has appeared here. Alright, so the outline, this time around we are not removing the outline. We would like to even increase the outline, the size of the outline. So I'll clear it from 1 here, the width there, I'll make it 8. And the color there, I'll even choose the dark red. Alright, so scrolling to the top, we'll change it to take picture or texture field, because inside of this one we are going to insert a picture there. Alright, so I'll do this way and even reduce the size a little bit, something like this. Alright, so I can do it this way. Maybe push this one a little bit. Alright, so let's duplicate this one also. Alright, so I can leave it this way for now. Alright, so now we want to insert some couple of text boxes. So I'll again go into the insert tab. We have the text box here, just click on it. So click here to insert the text box. So inside of the text box, the first thing that we write there is the plumbing. We'll make it plumbing, and it's inspections, right? Plumbing and inspection services. Alright, so let's select it to format it. So I'll go with area, and the size of it I'll make it 36 and even bold. Alright, so the first two texts there, the plumbing and inspections, I would like to change the color of that one to the dark red. Alright, so you can position it now to somewhere around here. Alright, so let's duplicate the text box here so that you can change the text inside there. So I'll just clear this one off and type comprehensive. Alright, so comprehensive plumbing and inspections. I have inspections for rural area. Sorry, I said rural real estate deals. Alright, so let's change the font of it to this one, and the size of it, so we are sending it back to 18. Let's make it 18. Remove it the bold. Alright, so I can do it this way. Alright, so let's duplicate this one also to the bottom here. So inside of this one, we would like to change the text there to detect issues LA. Alright, so let's duplicate that one also, and inside of this one we'll like to type confined resources. Confined. Alright, so it's confined resources. Alright, so from there, there's another thing that I would like to do again is to go to the insert tab. Alright, so we have to insert a rounded rectangle again. So from the shapes, we have the rounded rectangle here, so we can draw the rounded rectangle like this. So we can put this one to rotate it this way. Alright, so let's remove the outline, make it no outline, and the shape fill, we are choosing the color deep red. Alright, so inside of it, we would like to type y as. Why did we choose as? Alright, so this one also, let's format it by changing the color. Okay, by increasing the size and the font. So we are making it Arial black, and the size we are making it 24. Alright, so I would like to reduce this one. Alright, so y as it will be around here. So these two texts will be under the y as. Alright, so I'll just bring it here, somewhere around here. Alright, so there's one thing again that I would like to do there is I'll just like to duplicate this one to the bottom there to make it 4. Alright, so I'll just clear the text the text box inside the text inside there and insert my own text there. Alright, so the next step that I would like to insert here is satisfying alright, so it will be satisfying service. Alright, so from there again, the last one here, we would like to make it faster services. Alright, so we can push all of them to position them well. Alright, so something like this. I can also do the same thing applies to this one. So I'm using my arrow keys to position them at the right side. Alright, so I can do this way. So you can also do the same thing applies to your own by positioning them well using your arrow keys, or if you are familiar with the mouse to move it well. But I will encourage you to use the mouse, your arrow keys to position them. Alright, so I'll do it this way. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like to do is to go to the insert tab, go to shapes. Alright, so I would like to insert the shape here, this shape. So I'll just click on it. Alright, so for us to have a perfect view of it, I would like all of us to zoom it in. Alright, so I'll zoom it in so I can draw my shape here. Alright, so you go to the insert tab, so you can locate the shapes here, so you can click on this shape to insert it in there. So by drawing it this way, you can see the properties has also displayed at this side. So probably let's go and remove the outline. You can make it no outline, and the color of it, that's the shape fill, make it black. Alright, so you can position it to this side and make a duplicate of it by copying it a couple of times. So if one is here, you can add another one also here and add the last one here. Alright, so there's one thing again that you have to do. You have to also duplicate this one. So let's duplicate this one to this side. So you can write contact us. Alright, so after that you can just pull this one to straighten it up. So let's scroll to the bottom so that you can place it over there. So you can place it somewhere around here. Pull this one also to this side. Alright, so now I would like to go to the insert tab again. So from the insert tab, I would like to go to the shapes. So from the shapes, we will insert this shape also, like this one. Alright, so you can see we can do something like this. Place it inside here. So also that one, let's remove the outline, make it no outline. So the color there, that's the shape fill, make it white. Alright, so we can place it somewhere around here. Alright, so you can use the arrow key to adjust it. Alright, so there's another thing that we like to also do. We like to also insert another shape. So by doing so, let's just have to go back and click on the insert tab. So we'll go to the shapes and click on the rounded rectangle again. So let's draw our shape here. Alright, so let's just use this one to control it. We can make it possible, something like this. Alright, so you can bring it here. Alright, so you can make it this way. So let's remove the outline, make it no outline, and the color of it, let's make it black. Alright, so let's send it to the back. Alright, so okay, let's increase this one a little bit. Alright, so we can increase the size of it. Let's increase the size of it, and also here. Alright, so something like this is okay for us. Let me push this one to the middle. I mean something like this, so that it will be close to it. Alright, so inside here there's another thing again that I would like to do is to insert another text. So I'll just like to duplicate this text box here. So the text here, I would like to edit it. Alright, and that one will be the contact. So let me just change the color to white. So make it plus 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Add another 0. Alright, so we can make it this way. Let's duplicate that one a couple of times. I'm talking about this one. Alright, so I can duplicate it here. So the text in here, I would like to change that one to the location. So this one will be the location. So we can make it anywhere, streets, or let's make it country. Alright, so let me duplicate that one also to here, to the down. Or we can make it support info@gmail.com. Alright, so I can just open this one up. Alright, so by doing so, there's another thing again that I would like to do. As we now insert all of these text boxes, let's insert their icons. I'm talking about the phone icon, the location icon, etc., and that of the logo icon. Alright, so just insert it inside the text box here. So I'll just go to the, so as I've selected the text box like this, I'll just go to the insert tab. So go and locate what is happening. So I'll go and locate my pics, which is here. So my pictures are in my device, so I'll locate it here. So this is my phone icon. I'll just click on it and insert it inside there. So alright, so after I've inserted it, alright, so let's do something like this. Reduce the size of it. Alright, so possibly, so you can see there's one thing here. As the color, you see the color of the phone icon is black. Okay, so there's one tactic that we can do here, and that is we can go to the insert tab, go and insert a shape. Let's say probably you can choose the circle. You can draw a circle like this. Alright, so the outline, we can make it black. So we can come to the picture or texture field. So from there we can now go and click here to insert the picture inside that circle. Alright, so let it load. So as you can see, the picture that I want to insert is offline, so I'll just work with offline, and this is the picture here. Alright, so you see I've inserted it inside there, right? Alright, so you can bring it here. Oops. Alright, so there's one thing again that we like to insert. We just have to go to the insert tab and insert a shape. Alright, so draw the shape this way, a circle. So make the outline no outline, and the color of it, let's make it white. Alright, so you can either decide to reduce the size of it, Alright, so I can do it this way. Let me push this one to this side. Alright, so we can also bring this one this side. Okay, pushing this one also to this side, and we can do the same thing applies to this one. Alright, so let's duplicate this one a couple of times. Let me add another one. Alright, so now let's go and insert our logos. So I'll just click on the insert and go to the pictures. So I'll choose the phone icon first. Alright, so as the phone icon is black, that's why we inserted a white circle. So you can see the color black can easily show up in the inside the white circle. So let's zoom it in. Alright, so again let's insert another one. Oops, it's a picture, not a shape. Location, I think we'll have it at the top there. Alright, so we can reduce the size of it to other one also, of that one. Alright, so we are also going to place that one inside the circle. So we can make sure that it will be fit in there. Alright, so something like this is not bad for us. Alright, so the last one, let's go and insert the email icon. Oops. What is happening? Let's try it again. So I have it here, so I'll insert it. Alright, so we are reducing the size of that one also to make it fit, to make sure that it will fit inside there. Alright, so I think that one also is fit in there. So we can reduce the distance. What's the name? The size of it to see how it looks like. Alright, so for this one, let's now insert the pictures inside there. So how do you insert it? We have to go to the this side. So you see, as we click on the picture or texture field, if you remember earlier on, I told you that if you have to insert the picture, you have to go to the insert tab. So let's click there. Alright, so the picture that we have to insert is offline. So let's work with offline. Alright, so I'll insert this first picture. Alright, so let's insert. Alright, so you see it's inserted. So let's do the same thing applies to this one by inserting another picture also inside there. Alright, so remember that also this one also is offline. So we are also going to insert that one offline. I have it here, so I'll just click on my image, and so after that I'll go and click on the insert. Alright, so you see that one also is inserted. So as you can see, everything is well fit and organized. So we can move this one to the bottom here. Alright, and do the same thing applies to this one. Alright, so this one also you can do the same thing by moving this one to this side. Alright, so doing this way you can see everything is well fit and intact. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.